Can this USB car charger save your life in an emergency? Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unbox. I will be looking at a unique USB car charger by Stylus called the Stinger. This was sent out to me by the company so I can review it. You can pick it up online for about $16. I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look at the Stinger. This is a USB car charger that has some life-saving tools. It has a hardened steel punch at the end to break glass, a seatbelt cutter on the top, and two USB ports. You can see the spring-loaded mechanism here that the punch works off, and the cutter at the top. The device is fairly small, comparable to many of the USB chargers out there. Build quality is nice. So let's take a look at the emergency features. So now I'll show you the blade. This is capable of cutting through the seat belts in the event that you are stuck. I'll use this paper just to show the sharpness of the cutter. And as you can see, it went through it with ease. Now I will demonstrate how the steel punch works for breaking glass. I have a glass piece here that is 1/2 centimeter in thickness. Now I'm going to press down until I hear the click. Wow, look at the glass shatter. It doesn't take much force to activate the steel punch. Let's see that again with another piece of glass. The Stinger USB car charger. A very unique product with some life-saving tools. The tool is definitely nice to have around and it works well. Hopefully, you will never be in a situation where you have to use it, but at least you will have peace of mind that you will be able to deal with it. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.